Mitsubishi Electric Energy Recovery Ventilation. The Lossnay Fresh Air Energy Recovery System from Mitsubishi Electric is designed to provide balanced fresh air ventilation. Unlike common forced air ventilation systems, Mitsubishi Electric's Lossnay system recovers the heat energy found in extracted stale air and transfers this warmth to the fresh air on its way in. Lossnay is the only ventilation system that can effectively manage the humidity level in the home. The specially treated paper core at the heart of the system controls the amount of moisture being introduced. Unwanted moisture is expelled, resulting in healthier home air quality. In summary, Mitsubishi Electric's Lossnay system uses fresh outside air, filters the air, removing dust, etc., manages the humidity, is highly energy efficient, and recovers energy from extracted stale air. Effectively, this means the home will stay fresh, clean, and dry while retaining its warmth.